As peak remodeling season approaches, many homeowners in the Northeast are looking to spruce up their homes, but what you may not know is just how much your home's exterior can impact its value. Upgrading your home's exterior with Hardie fiber cement siding provides the #1 return on investment for major exterior remodeling projects.
When you're looking at replacing your home siding, you want to ensure you're buying the best possible product. That's where James Hardie comes in. Hardie fiber cement exteriors offer styles and colors to help you achieve long-lasting beauty. From traditional styles to contemporary, James Hardie satisfies any design need.
In addition to its cosmetic appeal, Hardie fiber cement siding is engineered for climate and is extremely durable.
Knowing those rough Northeast winters, it's important to keep durability in mind. Hardie fiber cement products are engineered for your specific climate, meaning you can have peace of mind knowing your home is protected from the elements without sacrificing any beauty.
Learn more at jameshardie.com.